Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how I make my chicken sandwich, and I'm going to start by melting my butter or margarine, whichever one you want to call it. Honestly, but I'm just going to start by melting out that. I like using butter because it gives me a very nice smell. So you can either use butter or you can use your groundnut oil, whichever one you want, but I prefer using my margarine. So guys, after melting this, I'm just going to go in by adding my onion, my bell pepper, and my green pepper, and then I'm going to carefully stir fry it. And I'm also using a non-stick pan because I just don't want it to burn or stick to the pan. That's why I'm just using this. So I'm just going to keep stir frying it till the onions is a bit transparent, because I don't want my onions to be crunchy in the bread. I really don't like eating crunchy onions, guys. So I prefer it getting very soft before I put it into my bread. And then I'm just going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be having a list of all this in the description box. So guys, these are everything I'm going to be adding. This is my chicken and the stir fry. I just showed you guys my cucumber, cabbage. This is my lettuce. I'm going to be adding egg, bama, ketchup, and a lot of things. So guys, let's move into this video. So guys, the first step is I'm going to mix my ketchup and my mayonnaise together. I'm actually using Bama mayonnaise. I don't know whichever one you want to use, but I'm using Bama. I know in Nigeria we have different brand of mayonnaise. So now I'm currently using Bama, and then I'm just going to add the mixture into my diced chicken. So after mixing this, I'm just going to spread a little bit of mayonnaise on my bread. Some people prefer putting butter, but I prefer using mayonnaise. I just like it when it's just one taste. If I want to use butter, then I'm going to use my butter all through. But because I'm using my mayonnaise, that's why I'm going to be spreading it on top before. And then I'm going to be adding my mixture of chicken and bama with ketchup into my bread. And after that, I'm just going to go in with my sliced tomatoes, and I'm just going to put that carefully. I really don't want too much, depending on how you like it. Then I'm going to go in next with my sliced egg, and after that, I'm just going to place my cucumber on my bread. So after this, I'm going to add my lettuce, which is going to be the last layer, and then I'm going to put my bread. I'm going to be using the part with the mayonnaise to cover the bread. So now I'm just going to cut it into two. So this is what the inside of my chicken sandwich looks like, guys. This is actually very nice for breakfast, or when you want to take any food as snacks. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this and if you like this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks guys, meet you in my next video.